Here at Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center, we often talk about exercise intensity. So what is it, and what is the difference between moderate and high intensity exercise? Moderate and high intensity exercises differ in terms of the level of effort and exertion required during physical activity. Here's a breakdown of the differences. For moderate intensity exercise, it typically involves a moderate level of effort and with an increase in heart rate and breathing rate. It can be described as exercising at a pace that feels somewhat challenging, but you can still talk in full sentences. Examples include brisk walking, or walking on a treadmill at about 3.4 miles per hour, cycling at a moderate pace, swimming, or playing doubles tennis. Your target heart rate is between 65 to 75% of your maximum heart rate. For example, for a 50-year-old person, the estimated maximum age-related heart rate would be calculated as 220 minus 50 years, which is 170 beats per minute. Then 65 to 75% would give a range of 110 to 130 heart rate. For high intensity exercising, this involves a much higher level of effort, which significantly raises your heart and breathing rate. You can say a few words, but not full sentences. Examples include running, fast-paced cycling or spinning, and high-intensity interval training or HIIT training. Your heart rate would be 75 to 90% of your maximum. So what about the duration of exercising? Moderate intensity exercises are often performed for a longer duration, generally for at least 30 minutes. High intensity exercises are typically performed in shorter bursts due to more demanding nature of the exercise. For example, HIIT workouts may last anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. Whether you do moderate or high intensity workouts, both have incredible health benefits. Moderate intensity exercises improve your cardiovascular fitness, strengthen your muscles, and help with weight loss. High intensity exercises are great for improving cardiovascular fitness as well as increasing endurance and for maintaining your weight loss. It is also worth noting that the intensity of exercise is dependent on your fitness level. What may be moderate for one person could be high intensity for another. It is important to listen to your body. Gradually increase intensity over time, and be sure to talk to your medical provider if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. If you're ready to begin your journey to improve fitness and weight loss, please reach out to us at healthymeweightloss.com.